Let me guess. You've met people who are insanely talented, smart, successful, and you forgot them in like 10 seconds. But then there's that one weird guy. Not the richest, not the smartest, but somehow you still remember him. Yeah, that's not an accident. That's psychological manipulation. And today, I'm going to show you how to do it. Most people are painfully predictable. Same handshake, same nice to meet you, same NPC dialogue. Hi, what do you do? Oh, I work in... Nice. Wow. Electric conversation. Congratulations. Both of you will forget each other by tomorrow. Because your brain doesn't remember normal. It deletes it. The trick is simple. Break the pattern. Think about it. Your brain is basically a security guard. If everything looks normal, it just lets it pass. But the second something feels off, it goes, wait, who is this? And now, you're interesting. Let me show you. You meet someone. Instead of saying, nice to meet you, say this. I feel like you have a dangerous personality. Now watch. They laugh, they get confused, their brain wakes up. Boom. You're not forgettable anymore. Or instead of asking, what do you do? Try this. What's something you're obsessed with right now? Now you've got emotion, and emotion is memory glue. Listen carefully. People don't remember information. They remember disruption. They remember that moment their brain had to pause. That awkward laugh, that unexpected question, that slightly bold comment. That's what sticks. So here's your playbook. Stop being safe. Say something slightly unexpected. Ask better questions. And most importantly, make people feel something. Because being liked, that's common. Being remembered, that's power. But, wait, if you do this wrong, you won't be memorable. You'll just be weird. Yeah, people remember weird, but not in a good way. Some people hear this and go, I just need to be different. And suddenly, they turn into a walking TED Talk, saying stuff like, I only connect with people on a spiritual frequency. Bro, relax. Being memorable isn't random. It's real, but slightly unexpected. Second mistake. Right words, dead energy. What excites you in life? Yeah, no one's remembering that. Energy is contagious. If you don't feel it, they don't feel it. I met a guy once. Nothing special. So I asked him, what do you do? He said, I make people hate Mondays less. And I just stopped. Because now I needed more. Turns out, regular job. But the way he said it, unforgettable. That's the deeper trick. It's not what you say, it's how you frame it. Same life, different angle. One gets ignored, the other stays. Want next level? Use open loops. Say something unfinished, like, remind me to tell you what happened last week. Now their brain is hooked, because humans hate unfinished stories. So now you know. Break patterns. Be real. Bring energy. Create emotion. Because in a world where everyone sounds the same, acts the same, plays it safe, normal disappears. Safe gets ignored. But different stays. So the next time you meet someone, don't try to impress them. Make their brain pause. That's how you become unforgettable.